Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video I will show you how you can enable and use Telnet on your Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. In this video I will show you how you can fix this issue while Telnet any IP. At first, click on search option. Now type here appwiz.cpl, then press enter. On the next window, click on turn Windows feature on or off. Now scroll down here and search for Telnet client. Now right check this option. Then click on OK. Now let this installation complete. Once your installation is complete, click on Restart Now to restart your computer. Once your computer restarts properly, again try to telnet the destination IP. Click on search option. Now type here CMD. Click on command prompt. Now type here telnet and the destination IP. Then port number. Once done, press enter. As you can see, this time we are able to telnet the destination IP without any fail. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.